There is a website, a tourist website, called Welcome to Cleveleys. Cleveleys is just north of Blackpool with a very nice clean beach. And it's a beach I want to concentrate on. The tourist website is very proud of what can be seen from the beach, up and down the coast, North Wales, the lakes across Morecambe Bay, and, on a good day, the Isle of Man. So it is the Isle of Man views from Cleveleys Beach that I want to talk about. This is so interesting because it has similarities to the Chicago skyline episode. The point is, you shouldn't be able to see it from the beach. The curve of the earth precludes this. This is all well and good, and we can argue over the earth's curve calculation. However, what really struck home to me was the fact that this website, showing several photographs of the Isle of Man with a wind farm in front of it, states openly that you should not be able to see these things from the shoreline of Cleveleys. But it doesn't stop there, because having noted that you should not be able to see the Isle of Man, it then goes on with the excuse of why you can. As I have said before, the simplest reason usually is the right reason. And the simplest is simples. You can see on a clear day because the earth is flat. But of course, this is unacceptable to those who compiled the website. To me, they should not have gone down this rabbit hole and should have just left the photos up as views from the beach. But, and remember this is a tourist site, it then goes into why you can see the Isle of Man, because they are examples of superior mirages. And they show several very clear photos of the Isle of Man taken at different times. Clearly, this is not an unusual event, which in itself questions the rarity of a superior mirage. But, as I have discussed in the previous episodes, a superior mirage produces an inverse image. Now you're going to argue with me, but recently I have seen another very good video by Dr. John D, narrated by Karen B, explaining scientifically how refraction and mirages work and why it must produce an inverse image with several examples. However, now I go and look for it again, it's disappeared. Censorship is now rife. How disappointing. But it shows that authorities do not want the truth to come out. But I think it makes us stronger and more determined each day. A resource which is proving resilient and stronger each day are the Flat Earth videos on David Weiss's Flat Earth, Sun, Moon and Zodiac clock app, which can be bought at the store for a very modest price. However, there is also the channel on YouTube called Flat Earth, Sun, Moon and Zodiac clock app, where many videos are being added to each week. These days, searching Flat Earth will not get you anywhere. Anyway, rant over, back to this tourist website where, having shown clear videos of land clearly beyond the geometric horizon, and then admitted that you should not be able to see this, they then try and explain it away with a rather lame so-called scientific reason named the theory of a superior mirage. But come on, let's call a spade a spade. You can see it because you can see it. Let's see the distances involved. The highest ground on the Isle of Man is Snaefell Mountain, which is 63 miles or 101 kilometres from the beach at Cleveleys. If we put this into the Earth curve calculator and we say the camera is about 6 feet above mean sea level, then the hidden target depth is 2,400 feet. So even the highest mountain on the Isle of Man should be 400 feet below the horizon level. These are bonkers figures and clearly demonstrate, as we might say, Houston, we have a problem. And finally, if you're going to say these photos might have been taken much closer than from the beach at Cleveleys. Here is a photo showing a man on the beach near Cleveleys, clearly showing the wind farms and the Isle of Man in a distance.